Let me ask you a question. Do you want to improve your market value and avoid becoming obsolete in your organization? Yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. With the amount of change taking place so fast in most organizations today, if you don't do anything, very soon you will become obsolete. You need to conduct a systematic evaluation of your marketability and worth in your current position. Here are some questions you should ask yourself. Number 1. Are you delivering more value to your employer than you were 3 to 6 months ago? If so, what is your evidence of this? Did you increase efficiency in handling routine responsibilities? Did you suggest cost-saving ideas? Number 2. What have you learned in your job in the last 3 to 6 months? Most development happens within your current job. You need to constantly be looking to grow and learn. So, did you master a new procedure? Did you become a part of a cross-functional team or volunteer to take on new tasks in your job? Number 3. What do you plan to learn in the next 3 to 6 months? How can you create circumstances for advancement at work? Whom should you meet and what could you learn from them? What skills and knowledge should you acquire? What associations can you join? What books can you read? So here's what you can do. Invest your time, energy and money to increase your knowledge and skills, and you will be well on your way to increasing your market value, which will finally result in an increase in your income. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.